What is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risks and enjoying most of the rewards. The process of setting up a business is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs play a key role in any economy, using the skills and initiative necessary to anticipate needs and bring new ideas to market. Entrepreneurship that proves to be successful in taking on the risk of creating a startup is rewarded with profits and growth opportunities.
Young entrepreneur and how to become one?
A young entrepreneur is a child or young adult who starts and manage their own business. This can be a great way to gain valuable life skills, explore business ideas, and even contribute to social impact. The key is to be passionate, have a plan, and be open to advice and mentorship. Here's a more detailed look at what it means to be a young entrepreneur. What it means starting a business, innovation and creativity, learning and growth, and impact and contribution.
13 tips to help you become a young entrepreneur. Here are 13 tips that can help you become a successful young entrepreneur, regardless of your chosen field.
First is, choose something you're passionate about.
Choose sometimes you're passionate about creating business, take efforts and patience. If you have a list of interests or habits, pick a few in motivations and don't spill and considers waste offer them to consumer. This can help you find enjoyment in your work and inspire to continue work regardless of issue or setbacks. Creating a successful business requires creativity and passion. During yung planning stage, brainstorming your ideas and encourage creativity by designing an inspiring environment. Some professionals like to look at motivational coach or at work to foster their creative talent.
Second is research your industry.
Research your industry. When you have an idea you're passionate about, you can explore current market trends. Researching what other products are available could help you refine business strategy. By analyzing the market, you can also learn more about potential customers and what products they want. This can help you create a business plan that addressing a gap within an existing market.
Third is set specific and actionable goals.
Set specific and actionable goals. Setting goals, this is an important part of starting a business. Young entrepreneur can set specific goals for both the immediate and distant future, considering creating specific goals with deadline and distance. One way to do this is by writing all of your large business goals and then dividing them into a similar and measurable set. For example, if your goal is to launch a successful business, considering how you can measure and track his, you might decide to track the number of sales, customer, or total profit. Then you can set a deadline. Example, you might want to have 100 total sales if in your first 6 months of business.
Next is gather your finances.
Gather your finances. Launching a new business requires careful planning and funding. Think about how much money you'd like to have available when launching a business. Consider the cost of creating and shipping products, hiring employees, and paying bills. Then, consider your funding resources. You have made some personal savings or you have gathered investments from your network or seek a business loan. As a young entrepreneur, you may not have as much savings, so you may develop strategies to find financial support from external sources.
The fifth one is determine your audience.
Determine your audience before launching a new business. You might want to know your audience so that you can determine your marketing strategy. Define the target audience, explore the current market and think about how will be interest your products. Consider age and geographic locations of potential customers.
Sixth is create a business plan.
Create a business plan. The first step in creating a successful business is drafting an effective business plan that outlines end goals and strategies. It can also include a description of products and service and a detailed marketing.
Then, build a network.
Build a network. A successful entrepreneur is open networking. The broader your network, the more opportunities you have more contacting investors, mentors, and professional relationships in your field. Young entrepreneurs can make new network connection by attending events, joining local groups, or meeting local business owners. Some areas have groups specifically for young entrepreneurs. This can be a great way to build business connection and meet similar-minded peers. You can also expand your professional network by connecting with other young entrepreneurs on social media.
8. Set and manage a budget.
Set and manage a budget. A budget details our spending plan and can help you make important financial decisions. By knowing more about your spending, you can work to reduce cost and increase sales. Consider creating a budget before you launch a business. Set a time to review and revise your budget regularly as the company grows and you learn more about your costs and sales.
9th. Recruit a great team.
Recruit a great team. You may start your company on your own, but we grow comes to needs for a team efforts. Carefully consider the qualities you want for each of your team members before hiring anyone when you're creating a team. Consider the skills and qualities you are looking for in the team members. As a young entrepreneur, you may choose to collaborate with others young professionals that with meet in a network groups, you are may decided to create a job posting online. You can also contact on contations with maid at school to see if they are available to work with you.
10th. Market your business.
Market your business. As you grow your business, you can implement the marketing strategy you detailed in your business plan. This may involve building social media accounts, printing in local newspapers, or creating mail ads.
Consider your target audience and the best way to reach them. Be willing to review and refine your marketing strategy as necessary. As the business grows, try innovative new marketing strategies to help you learn more about the market and what customers want. For example, consider using influencer marketing or creating engaging events for potential customers.
11th. Reflect daily on your priorities.
Reflect daily on your priorities. Scheduling time in your day to reflect on your responsibilities can help you plan and prioritize your task. Consider setting time at the beginning and end of each day for reflection. Before work, you can list the tasks you want to accomplish in order of priority. At the end of the day, you can reflect on what went well. Reflecting on these areas can help you meet the deadlines and also make changes to your business strategies. It can also help you learn more about yourself and your work style.
12. Visualize goals and be patient.
Visualize goals and be patient. Building a business takes time and careful planning. While it can be inspiring to look toward the future sometimes, try to remain patient by thinking about your goals and the steps you can take to reach them. Consider how investing your time now in the business can help you in the future. Write your goals and post them in your office or workspace as a visual reminder of where the business is going. When you achieve a certain goal, you can take it down or cross it out as a visual reminder your progress.
Lastly, be adaptable and grow gradually.
Be adaptable and grow gradually. As you launch a business, you may adjust your products or services to better fit customers' needs. Consider changing the business plan to meet new demands. As the business grows, consider how you can scale up your production gradually to meet increasing demands, while maintaining an effective operation. Explore similar businesses that grew successfully when creating your growth plan. The rise of young entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is for everyone, no matter the age. At Moonshot Pirates, we believe everyone has what it takes to make a difference. From tackling the climate crisis to fighting systemic discrimination, young people worldwide are taking their futures into their own hands. There are tons of young entrepreneurs, and change makers out there, and you can one of them.
Thank you for watching.